Hello, welcome back to Totally Random. Real quick, okay, so you'll have to just look amongst the other stuff here because I'm between jobs. Get some focus on that. They're the pins and springs, plugs that came out of the Sturdee, and what I negated to do with the lock. So I've uploaded another video after the first one, so I'm going to 1, 2, and 3. I'll just get this over and done with real quickly. It occurred to me that perhaps the fourth pin was actually the shackle retaining pin, which, on closer examination with the tension wrench, just one I grabbed, but probably not the right one. And then, here we go. Alright, 2 seconds. I'm going to grab a decent tension wrench. Oh, well, hang on. It's open. So, just do that again. It's locked up. How it's locked up, I'm not sure. Other than the shackle, and this is shitting me, so I'm getting another wrench. Okay, so I'm back. Got something different. Okay, so yeah, she's locked up. Well, as locked as you can be without pins. So yeah, it's just the pull that's still working. But otherwise, yeah, that little barbecue stove did the trick. So this one will hit with a proper blowtorch and nuke it properly. Anyway, there you go. Trick works. Totally random. Thanks for watching. Keep it legal. Happy picking, and I'm out. Catches.